There were dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown scuttling dragons that hunted down the mice and rats so well organized. Whatever! I wouldn't! 300 years and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
Probably something stupid.
Good, but you've already done that.
Then something crazy.
That's more like it.
Lava spews from the earth. It's the dragons, letting us know they're still here. Waiting for us to figure out how to get along. Yes, the world believes the dragons are gone, if they ever existed at all. But we Earthlings, we know otherwise. And we'll guard the secret until the time comes.